Well, happy day, everybody. Welcome to some moneyballs. Close. It's really Magic Treasures a Tiger, you guys. Something very interesting. There's a bank of 6, and so I was going through looking for, the Moneyball numbers, as we all do. And they were between 5 and 6, except for this machine. I went 1 cent, 2 cent, 5 cent. Look at this, guys. Oops, 10 cent. 16 Moneyballs. But you guys, minimum bet is $8. Obviously somebody gave up. Who knows how much money they put in. You know how this Moneyball thing works. It could go up to like 30 or something before it pays. I don't know. And I'm not willing to keep going because this is rich person betting at $8. We'll give it 3. That's all I'm giving it is 300, and then we are walking because 16, I'm afraid. If we can get it, we can get it. But $8, that's like 10, 11, I don't know, spins or something like that per 100. I don't know. Okay, calm down. Here's a look at all the free games, Moneyballs, and the jackpot bonus. There's our cutie patootie tiger, although he looks really mean. And our progressives, you guys. 80 on the mini, minor 200, that maxi 500, that major 1667. And that grand, you guys, $10,301. Dollars. Those are Moneyball dollars, you guys. All right, get us all settled back in here. We have our lucky $100 bill in there. Let's get our volume all the way up. Let's turn the music off. We don't need no stinking music. We talk loud enough anyway, you guys. Minimum bet $8. Oh my gosh. Okay. $8 it is. Here we go, you guys. Oh my gosh, do it. First spin. Oh, that would have been so amazing. Okay, but it's a win. Oh my gosh, do it. Not 18. Okay, we're landing the Moneyballs. We need to keep oh, they just went by. 14, right back up to our 100. Guys, how you all doing today? You doing well? Everybody happy on the other side of the tube? Come on, Moneyballs, don't scare me. Guys, these numbers, plaques with money, if we get them on 1, 2, and 3, then we actually get them. Free games will drop, hopefully pop up and make it go off. Jackpot lands, it'll go up. Hopefully we'll go progressive picking. But we really need the Moneyballs. One more. Oh my God. One more and we would have had the minor and all that money. Ay. Oh my gosh, we're down half our money already. There's the Moneyball and the edge of glory up there. What is happening? Oh, come on. Oh, 20. And it's a ×2. See what I'm talking about? These Moneyballs. Are you serious? It's toying with us, you guys. That was our last spin. All right, we have to go in. Oh my gosh, I got to get in the black bag. This is our second 100. We've only got one more after this, but hopefully we'll hit it on this one, you guys. We're going to keep positive. Here we go. Oh, I thought that was a Moneyball. We haven't even seen free game symbol or jackpot bonus yet. Oh, it's going quick. What a Moneyball bonus this will be, though, with 20. Oh my gosh. It could be huge. If it could ever land. Oh my gosh, all 3. We got jackpot, you guys. We got jackpot. All right, we're getting at least $80 mini or 200 minor or 500 maxi. You guys know what I do. Grilled cheese sandwich. Let's take out the cheese because I'm lactose intolerant. Oh, that would be nice. Oh, that would even be nicer. That would be, hello? Oh, 80 times 5, that's 400? 8 times 5 is 400? Cut off the crusts on the corner. Oh my gosh, we got $400. We got $400. Holy smokes. That's a massive win. Oh my gosh. Oh, and we got money balls. Stop it! I didn't even know that, you guys. Do we get free games too? These are 50. Make that a times 27. I don't know. Of course it can't. Game pays $7,000. That's $700, you guys. Oh my gosh, we got it. Oh my gosh, we got it. How much is, so game pays $700. So with all of that and the jackpot, we got $700. Oh my gosh, we were in for 2. We got $740. You guys, I think I'm done, because you know money balls. Now it's going to clamor up, and it's going to be like, yeah, see you later. See you later. Should I do a backup? No. I'm going to nickels. That's a more comfortable bet. Oh my gosh, I can't believe we did it. We actually exploded the balls. Okay. $4 bet. Let's get away from rich person betting. We did it. Oh, I hope that person's not watching us, you guys. Ooh-wee. Yes. I would have loved to have popped the free games too. All right, money balls. Let's keep it going. Don't just take down our money. We changed our bet. Did we change our rhythm? Come on, jackpot. Do it again. Usually the jackpot goes down, but it's staying really big. I'm surprised. I don't know why. I ain't complaining. You can stay big. Well, $3.90, 10-cent loss, but it's $3.90. I'll take it. Come on, money balls. You haven't even landed one money ball. Jackpot. Do it again. No doage. I don't think I've ever landed 3 of the special symbols before. I didn't even know it gave us the money balls. And then all of a sudden it was like, bam, bam. So we got a $400 jackpot. So that meant the money balls were $300 out of 20 money balls. You would think it would have been more than that. If it was a ×2, that would have been great. You know, greedy gambler here, always wants more. Come on, Ant. This isn't looking so hot, guys. It's clamored up. But we've got 7. I think we kind of have to see it through. Maybe not. Oh, I saw. Don't do it! 3 of them! Are you serious? 3 of them should be a guaranteed pop. Come on, Ant. Just do it. Let's see the free games now. Let's see the free games. Money balls? We got it. Yes! And with 2 of them already. So now we'll have 10. Bigger. Bigger. No biggins. No biggins. But 35, okay, keeps us in it. I was thinking of cashing out at 600. And I was going to take my 600 and we'd go to a new machine, you guys. That would have been a good one to do it. Come on, free games. I'm trying to get you. I'm trying to get you good. Oh, your raised tire. Do it, 9? No, 9-inch. Oh, guys, I'm going to go on just a little bit more. What did we get? Just the money balls. Okay, just the money balls. Big. Okay, 32. We're hanging in there. I'm glad I pressed the button one more time for $5.99. Oh, $50. Free games. Your chest is pretty high up there. Make it explode, please. Do it to it. No money balls are showing at all. We got money balls again, you guys. This is a good one because we've already have those stacked. Holy smoke, $78, you guys. Fabuloso. We need to see those free games. We've got to see everything in this game, you guys, before we move on. Oh my gosh, we got it again with all of that. At least one here. Yes. We got to make it always connect. Mini for $40. Yes. We're back over 700. Stop it, dollars, you guys. Let's keep going. I'm going to say this all in lowercase. Can we get over 1,000? Oh, I don't know. That's a big stretch. That's another $300. And on nickels, that's a big stretch. Oh, if we win the major, if we can go progressive picking again, maybe. Uh-oh, see, it's quieted. Come on, free games. Come on, free games. Where are you? Bring out your symbol so at least you can give us an attempt at it. Uh-oh. There's that mini again. We gotta love our mini. Even though it's only 40, it's 40. It's all goes in the pot. Oh, that was a win by 50 cents. Hallelujah. Although it doesn't make up for all these dead spins, you guys. Oh, I'm waiting very patiently. Look how much we've given back. We were at $7.30. Now we're at $6.50. Ooh, that miner's 100. Yes, please. Oh, no. We're not getting money balls. We're not getting free games. We're not getting the jackpot symbol. Uh-oh. Down 100 now. Jackpot. Somebody ring a ding. Nobody rang a dang. Please. Darn you. Darn ring-a-dings. I'll take another Diet Pepsi, please. Thank you so much. I appreciate it. Thanks for remembering. Oh gosh, all the cocktail servers now remember my drink. Oh my gosh. Guys, I went below 6. Oh my gosh, what is happening? Oh my gosh, I pressed it twice. Ay. Oh boy. Ooh, there's that maxi for $2.50. 500 is my cash out point. Still is up 300. But I know Moneyballs, when it goes cold, forget it. And we are quickly approaching 500. Just nothing after nothing after nothing. Couple more spins. I think, what is that? 3 more spins? 2 more? Come on, Aunt, save us. Get something. We got nothing, you guys. That's it. We are cashing out. Boom. You guys, let's take our 501. Let's go to another game, and let's see what else we can find, you guys. I'll be right. All right, you guys. I decided Lightning Dollar Link. I played this earlier. No, not. I played Miss Bonita, Chica Bonita, and phenomenal, you guys. Phenomenal. I don't know if you've seen the video yet or you're gonna see it. It's insane. 501.40. It's going in. Going in. And I think we're starting on dollars. And we're betting $50, you guys. No way! Let's lift this up just a little bit higher. And apparently I've jacked up the camera. Shocker. Shocker. Drop us down. Come on, Aunt. Get with it. Volume all the way up so we can start our checkered flag partay. Now on dollars, $2.50. $12.50, $11.74, and $11,355. Oh yeah, that was so loud, you guys. It's getting in the afternoon here at Durango, and they start cranking the music, you guys. Gotta love it. Gotta love it. 501.40. Can we get back up to our 700, you guys? I gotta make sure I don't press 50. Oh my gosh. $5 bets. Here we go, you guys. These are wild symbol. And we need 6 of our trophies to go into the hold and spin. Or we need the race car, which we haven't seen yet. It just went by, to get into our free games, our free spins. Uh-oh. Come on, Aunt. You can do this. We're not seeing anything. Oh my goodness. I think I'm gonna have to oh, excuse me. I knew I was gonna have to sneeze. I felt it. I felt it coming. Oh, we're not starting off so good, Aunt. I know, Bigfoot. We're down 50 already. You know, Lightning Dollar Link, it can be a toughie. Oh, we got 4. Oh, 2 more race cars. That's our race car, you guys. We need 3. Let's do it to it. Oh, I'll take the hold and spin too. Oh my. La 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 la. Oh, I have a beautiful singing voice. You know that, you guys. I should be on the radio. 4 more. Oh my gosh, we're almost down 100. Okay, $12. A little bit of a win there. I'll take it. I'll take it where I can get it. 2 more. Oh, the mini is $2.50, you guys. We need some big time help here. Big time help here. I think I'm gonna switch off dollars because the checkered flag ain't doing nothing for us. It ain't help. Oh, 1 more. Stop it. Oh my gosh. I'm glad I didn't take off. Oh, look at that big old streak through it. Sorry, you guys. Ready? I think we get 8 spins. Yeah, we get 8 spins. Okay, $5. Oh, trophies. Oh, we got Pretty Lady. Oh, $49. Okay. Oh, do the trophies. Oh, Poopy Loopy. Wilds. Not queens. Trophies. I hate you, tens. All right, a little bit of wilds. Okay, we're up to 68. Not bad. Wow, 5 of a kind and 5 of a kind nines. And wait, and oh my gosh, that's a lot of money. Now we only have 5 lines to work with. Line 1 is 100. Line 2 is 5, 10, 10, and 100. That's $200, you guys. That's $200. Holy smokes, and we have one more game. I'm pressing it. Oh, 225. Come on, trophies. Oh, we can do trophies. I hate you, tens. $293, you guys. We're almost back to our 700 where we were on the poopy money balls. Oh my God. And you know what I just realized during that bonus? When I went to fill up Bigfoot, yeah, I'm right here. I spilled soda all down the front of my shirt. And when I walked over here, I had spilled soda all down the front. How embarrassing. Oh my God. Let's keep going. Let's keep going. Let's go. 672. Come on, Sia. Sing it, girl. 2 more. Oh, we could have so been those people, you guys. And there's our 2 we needed. Oh my. 2 more? That was a fun bonus. Oh, we just needed 1 more. I tell you, 5 lines, it's tough, but when you can hit it, you can hit it good, but it's a toughie. That's why when you're over here, you're really playing for a bonus. Come on, checkered flag, let's do it again. I want to be those people. So greedy. Oh my gosh. All right, got to get some line hits. Keep us going. Oh, I'm thinking about going to dimes. I think it's time to mix it up. Ooh, that could have been a 3-reeler, you guys. 1 more. Oh, I think dimes time. Stop it! I keep saying it's dimes time, and then we get the bonus. Although I said it like 4 times and I didn't. 8 spins. 8. Oh, by the way, I told you I've been wearing this ring because it's insane luck. Okay, go you guys. Trophies this time. Oh, trophies. Oh, gosh darn it. Retrigger. Oh, wilds. Darn go. Although that was $25. Come on, Poopy Loopy, do it. Oh, do the trophies. Oh my gosh, we got Pretty Lady all the way across. We got Sugar Mama. How much is Sugar Mama? $150, you guys. $5, $150, $5, and $5. Okay, so it's like $160, $155. I don't know. We're not here to do math, you guys. Let's just play. $165. Can we get a retrigger on the last spin? Wilds? Oh my gosh, we got wilds. We got wilds. 5 of a kind kings. 4. And unfortunately, that's a blocker. $75 though. And $10. $85. Oh my gosh, $287. You guys, oh, we're so close to 1,000. I gotta whisper it. Let's go! Oh, I wonder if I should change it to dimes. Oh my God, let's be those people, please. Those people. You know, Lightning Dollar Link is a toughie. 3 more! Sounded good. Sounded good. Oh, is this In Sync? I think it's In Sync. It's not Backstreet Boys. No, it's In Sync. You know, my generation, Gen X, we were the 80s. This is more 90s. Oh, oh. Not a high five. Come on. Do it. All right. I'm switching it to dimes. We got to go to dimes. Yeah. I'm going to dimes by 8. Unless checkered flag. Do it. Oh, my. Stop it. Get out of here, Bigfoot. Okay. Guys, you ready? You ready? We got it again. $200. $200 is all we need. All lowercase. We don't scream that. All lowercase so we don't scream that. $200. Let's go! That we scream. That's nothing. Come on, hold and spin. Hello? Okay. How much? 75, 25, that's 100. $105, you guys. Oh my gosh, are we gonna get there? Oh my gosh, 115. Another $100. Do the lightning thing. Do the thing. Gosh darn you. 3 more. No. Oh my gosh, 2 more spins. All wilds, all something. I hate you, sugar mama. Oh my gosh, we're so close, you guys. 9:33. Let's go. 4 more? Oh gosh, we got a total of 4. Oh, and then 3 on the back side. Where's our front side? I don't like it on the back side. I want it on the front side. Go! Oh, I should have probably switched to dimes at the $8.99 mark. Oh. 1 more! Stop! I should have switched to dimes. That's going to be the title of this video. Moneyballs, and I should have switched to dimes. We only need 100, all lowercase. Let's go! Okay, can we get the trophies? Hold and spin. 2 more. 2 more. Oh my gosh. I hate ya. Oh no. Please. Wilds? Sugar mama. Oh no. Come on. 2 more spins. Okay, $30. 1 more spin. Ready? Please bring you out. 6 of you. 3 more. 1 more. Have I told you I hate this game? Okay, guys. We only need $50. Let's go. Uh-oh. I think I should switch to dimes at 900. All right, checkered flag. Because at dimes we'll have more lines to play with. 3 more! Uh-oh. Where's our line hits at? 908. Switching to dimes. Oh, we got 2 of them. We're going in the wrong direction, sugar mama. 2 more. Oh, we got 2. All right, we need a little line hit to keep us going. We did get the trophy bonus once. That's right. No, yeah, we got it. Bonus in the bonus, right? No, we just got it on our own. I can't remember now, you guys. We've given back 100. I think it's definitely time to switch to dimes. We got to see what we can do. Oh my gosh, I thought that was going to be the moment. I said absolutely nothing. 800, I'm switching to dimes. Because then we've already given back 150 on dollars. Uh-oh, lightning dollar link. Have you clambered up? Don't clamber up on us. We were so close. So close. Switching to dimes for real. Oh wait, it's over here, Aunt. Dimes. And we're gonna do 25 lines, $5. Uh-oh. 2 more. I said the wrong number. Checkered flag, what are you doing to us? Almost 200 back. 3 more. I'd like to see those race cars. I'm already to dimes. What are you doing to us? I can't switch anywhere else. Uh-oh. I think I have to cash it at 7, you guys. Oh my gosh. Lightning dollar link. You know, when it goes cold, it's cold. Okay. $20. That really helps us stay in the race. Boy, where's the bonus at? I don't know where it's at, you guys. Oh, you know what we should do? Oh, I don't know. Oh my gosh. Should we do some rich person betting? You never know what's going to happen. Oh my gosh, $10. Let's do it. Maybe the bonus is over here hiding. Oh, can we get the cars? Or the trophies? Oh my gosh, I went below 7. What am I doing? Uh-oh. Come on. Don't make me switch to dimes. Don't make me switch to... Oh, 500. Uh-oh. I think checkered flag. Come on, checkered flag. I ain't gonna say it. 4 more. 3 more. Stop it. This is the bonus. And I didn't have to switch to dimes, you guys. That's where we're sitting. Triple mini, triple minor, triple major, you guys. Triple grand. No such thing. All right. What are we going to do here? What are we going to do here? Oh, I'm excited. Here we go, you guys. Okay, 10 and 20. Single mini, double mini. I won't even be greedy. Anything? $10? Ooh, $30. Thank you very much. 50, you guys. Oh my gosh, 2 more. We changed. Oh my gosh, 1 more. 1 more for $11,000. Is this our time? Second spin. Oh, be in there, be in there. I'm gonna count it fast, you guys. Bam! Oh my gosh, 240. I did not think it was gonna be that much. I was thinking like around 140. Bam! 865, we're kind of back. Oh, I'm gonna do a little more. Oh, I should probably switch to dimes. Oh, I really should. This is still rich person betting. And it's probably done on $2. Oh. Is that $50? That's $50. Oh my gosh. Get us up to 1,000. Get us up to 1,000. Oh my gosh, 840. Oh, do 3 more. That was a nice little bonus, you guys. That was nice. 2 more. Oh, they just went by. Okay, bet back. 4 more, please. I'm getting desperate, you guys. You can hear it in my vocal. You can hear it. Don't take us this direction. All right, I'm gonna actually switch to a different denom. I think I'm gonna go to dollars. Because we just got the bonus over here, so I think it's kaplooey with us. Let's go to $5. Oh, I got to do it over here. 5. Maybe it has shaken it up enough to give us 1 more bonus. Maybe it wants to give us a $300 bonus so we can cash out and get the heck out of Dodge. I don't even know where Dodge is or what that even means. Come on, go! Give us that bonus. Oh no, $6.94. Don't make me switch to dimes. Don't make me do it. Uh-oh. Ay, ay, ay. 2 more. Of course it's not going to happen, Aunt. You said the wrong number. And we're moving right past that. Oh, 2 cars at the end. That could have been a 3-reeler. Where's our race cars at, you guys? They were so plentiful a while ago. All right, I'm doing dimes. You saw my finger going for it. Stop it! Oh my gosh. We need $400 here. $400. Oh my gosh, we got 4 sugar mamas. $400, please. Oh, do it. No! All wilds. I hate you, Jacks. All right, not bad. Oh, we're over 100. Last spin. 3 more. I don't think we've had that bonus in the bonus yet. Guys, we're up 100. But I think you know what I'm gonna say. You know what I'm gonna say. Oh, I think I saw a double mini, you guys. Come on, sugar mama. Bring it back out. I need to be those people. We still need $300. Oh, down to 7. This is what we came up. No. What did we come over with, you guys? 5? 5 or 7? No, 7, it was our high ticket over there, and I think we came over with 5. Gosh darn it, we're starting to switch from those people. The arrow is going over to those people. Okay, 17, not too bad. More, please, 1 more. Not a high 5, and all those were $25. Boy, it's a struggle to get those trophies. Come on, struggle. Let's not make it real. but let's make it real. I don't want the struggle to be real. Well, I think it is officially time to move over to dimes. And then maybe we'll do the 50 lines on dimes. Look at that, high five. 3 more. Yeah, let's go over to our dimes. One more spin and we'll move over to dimes. Okay, one more spin because that was $17. Oh no, we got 2. I have to go one more. And we'll do 50 lines at 50. Oh my gosh, it just went by. You guys saw that, right? Yeah. And then it shows up here. One more. Teasing us, you guys. At least they're showing up over here. Of course, they're not showing up. They're just showing. $5.98. That major's $5.09. Somebody just hit it. But that's okay. It can hit again. Oh my. We're almost back to where we started. I saw some sort of something minor. I think I have to switch. Something is telling me dollars. It is. 5. First spin back, you guys. It was telling me dollars. Triple major. Triple major. Come on out. Uh-oh. Anything? Thank you, $10. Come on, Ann. Oh, another 10. Triple mini. $5, pretty close to triple mini. Oh no, let's keep going. We need bigger trophies, bigger ones. We need to win the race, not come in third. Ay, ay, ay. Uh-oh. Oh, I saw some mini go by. I think it had more words than one. Anything, save us! Oh my gosh, I thought it was 0, and then all of a sudden, bam! Come on, Ann. Keep it going. Last spin. Save. Oh my gosh, I saw that double mini. I saw it. All right, 80. You guys, I was feeling it. I was feeling it, and I felt the 80. Gets us back up a little bit more. I think those people are it's coming. I think it's coming. Oh my gosh, I didn't even know I pressed it. Ay, 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 3 more. I think the cars are coming. I think the cars are coming. Oh, the cars almost came. Oh my gosh, $100. I thought for sure just one was gonna land. Not you, car. Come on, Sheryl Crow. Are you're at the races? Are you singing for the cars? Toot, toot. Don't make me switch over to dimes again. You know I'll do it, car. You know I'll do it. 4 more. Don't be so poopy-loopy, checkered flag. Don't do it. We have a lot of makeup now to do. We were at $9.50. And now we're at $5.50. Another high five. All right. 3 more. Another high five. Oh boy, we're almost down to our 5. Ay, 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 you guys. Come on, Ant. Ay, ay, ay. We can do this, you guys. We can do this. I've got faith in us. We almost did it. Well, what a run we had, you guys. 501.50. I'm cashing it there. Man, we were up there, and then I just put it back. I got greedy, you guys. I got greedy. Yeah, you sure did, Ant. It happens. It happens to you. I know. I just don't know where to cash out sometimes. I get really into the game, you know, as a gambler. We get into the game and then it just kind of falls apart. You guys, thank you so much for watching. I really appreciate it. Until we meet again on the next video, you guys take care of yourselves. You know, I love you lots. You guys have a super fabtastic day, and we will see you again on the next video. Bye, everybody.